Welcome, Rito from MW-TRADINGWORLD. Give me those thumbs up if you can hear me, please. And then we're gonna get started. Welcome. What do I got over here? We've got Anand, we got CB. Good morning, bro. Mario. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Alpiman. Good morning, my brother. Mamad Boucherie. How do you say that in French? Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, guys. Give me those thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Give me those thumbs up, and then we're gonna dive into the vid directly, because there's a lot of alpha to be shared today, a lot of ways to make money. And you know, just like shared on X, sometimes I'm getting tired from making money. Believe it or not, I'm getting tired of making gains. It's really mind-blowing how these markets are at this moment, and there's so much money to be made. And if you're making that money over and over again, at some point you just get tired from it. Irene, welcome. CB, welcome. Thanks all for joining in. We're gonna take our time today, because you know why? Because I got a lot of time today. And if you don't got a time, just watch this vid in a later stadium. But I gotta take my time. Why? Because I wanna dive into some things today about how to make money. Very simple. Everything I share, everything I say, everything I educate about, it's at the end of the road, it's always about how to make money. And you know, retailers just, sometimes what I'm seeing, retailers, they focus on a lot of things, but they don't focus on what matters at the end of the road, and that's making money. So they're focused on a lot of things, this, that, a lot of things. Also, when I get DMs and get questions, you know, there are a lot of questions going about whatever out there. The only question you should ask me is this. It's like a friend of mine always said, no need to tell me about any story in the world. No need to tell me or to educate me about whatever in the world. Only tell me how to make money. That's all I care about. Only tell me how I can make money. So, well, he's got a very good point in that one, because that's also something I want you guys to understand. It's all about making money. It doesn't matter how, the who, the what, it's all about making money. So let's first of all start with a short market update I'm gonna do. It will be a very short one. Guys, by the way, Bitcoin is testing the daily indicator. So the daily is getting tested again, and to be honest, guys, this is not looking good. But you know, you guys already knew that. We made this one, look, we get this high over here, and then this lower high. They made a high over here. And then over here, this was the one was very crucial in my opinion, because we lost a lot of power over here, guys. And now we're testing the Indy again. So the indicator is at the 66K levels. So let's see if this thing is going to hold. But this is just not looking good. Why? Why is this? We're just ranging over here, coming down, go up again, and then ranging. By the way, guys, this was just that ETF getting approved. So that was this rise over here. Well, there are not a lot of ETFs coming up now. So what is the next thing that could help us lift up to new highs? Because at this moment, it looks like there are way more sellers over here than buyers. So this is something to keep an eye on, guys. But it doesn't matter. As long as this freaking thing keeps going sideways, at some point, we need this one. Where is my chart? Where is my chart? No, this is the, I need this chart. I need this one. I need this one. We need this one to start dumping down. So it's no problem if Bitcoin decides to just go sideways and act as a poor stock like it is now. But you know, we already had this huge dump down with the spot ETF of ETH going on. But at this moment, we're still, let me put it on the daily. We lost it, a retest maybe, but I want this thing just to dump down, just go below the 50 again. And that's how we're gonna make a lot of money. That's how we're gonna make a lot of money. We're already making a lot of money. I've been trading a lot past days, and guys, this is really no bragging or whatever. I made really sick gains past week on a lot of shit coins, altcoins, just following the money, following the hype. And if you guys have focused past week on what I was sharing, when I'm telling you, just follow the money. And you know, when you're following that money, suddenly those prices start pumping up, because it's very important to know how to track money flows. And when you see money flowing into some altcoins, whatever the reason is, just like, what was it? Voyager, VGX, or whatever it was. Well, I was seeing some money flow in it, and either way it was bankrupted by court, etc. A lot of things going on. But after I shared that, it pumped like 30%. So that's why it's so important to keep an eye on the money flow, where the money flows. So the top 10 altcoins that I'm gonna share, you have to see it like this. It's going to be divided in two. It's going to be divided into. You have to make a balance like this one, like this. You're gonna buy the ones that are totally wrecked at bottom formations, if you want to buy the top 10 altcoins for June. And at the other side, the other 50%, you have to buy the ones where the money is flowing. So these are two things. So you have to make a balance sheet for yourself. Okay, I'm gonna buy the wrecked ones that could make me a 5x or a 10x in a matter of days because they are so wrecked. And at the other side, the other 50%, you have to be buying where the money is flowing, where the money is going. So I hope that most of you guys understand what I just said now. And if you don't understand this, well, maybe you should educate a bit more, or just try to understand what I'm just telling, or just follow me, because every step I make, I'm sharing that, and I'm showing you guys what I'm doing, especially to the private ones. And for the team that is shorting, because guys, listen, look at this. Let me show you guys this. Where is it? This, you know, the team has been shorting. It was shared in the private, by the way. The team has been shorting. What? They shorted this one. They DCA'd in. Let me see. Where is my... Listen, guys. That's why, you know... listen, just like sharing in a private, they DCA'd in these regions over here. The top regions, they DCA'd in from here. Buy in, short. You know, you're not seeing it very good over here, but guys, do you know how much money these guys keep making? It's really mind-blowing how much money they're making. And you know, it's not they're making money because I'm just telling some fairy stories. I share it in the free private. I share exactly what they're doing. So when they start doing something, I tell them, guys, share. I'm gonna short it. Listen, this is a drop of 27%. Well, they didn't manage to get the top because they were DCA buying in, but they are on average on spot, let's say on 1x of 20%. On a 30x or 20x, it's a lot of money, guys. But that's what they do. And let me show you another one. Where is that other group? Same over here. This was the resistance zone. They started DCA buying in over here. And then this is how they make money over and over again. By the way, guys, for me, because I'm no shorter, for me, I've been trading this one. Let me show you. I talked about it already in a previous live when I forget about it, and that was over here. So I made a vid about how to trade meme coins. I made a special vid. It's how to trade meme coins. So everyone that is watching in this live and is following me on Twitter, he should know how to trade meme coins using the best trading indicator in the markets. Everyone should know that. So, okay, so you know that. You know, you watch my vid and you know how to trade it and you've seen it. Okay, we had this rise up. Well, I made a lot of money over here, by the way, guys. I made a lot of money over here. Over here, there's even one in this live. And I told him, listen, if Super Trump will come back to the 10-cent regions and will hold the indicator, that's when you have to go in heavy. Heavy, I told him go in heavy. If it gets invalidated, get out. So that was over here. And he bought in heavy just like I did. It could have not worked out. Well, we would have taken a small loss over here on invalidation, but we didn't. Because, by the way, guys, if you don't understand what I'm saying now, go watch my How to Trade Meme Coins vid. I explained that. But look at this guy. Just look at this. Over here, the first one. Hit, hit, hit. Then that guy DM'd me again. I told him, listen, they're holding the indicator. They're holding the 10-cent line. They're holding it. That is super bullish. Just be patient. Don't get shaken out and have patience. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. And then he asked me when to take profits. I told him if it will break the previous high, will go to 30 cents and that's when you have to sell. Guys, I said this like 2 days ago. 2 days ago I said this. I said this thing, if it will break the 24 cents, sell at 30 cents. This is what I told him. This is what I told him. So, guys, this is my plan. So this is also what I did. I bought in very heavy over here on this shit coin. And I made a triple in, what is it? I made a triple in how many days? 1, 2, 3 days. And every single one of you guys could have done the same. Because why? I talked about Super Trump. I explained to you guys about Super Trump. I teach you guys how to trade the indicator. So everyone should have made these gains. It's what it was explained, it was said. So that's why I say sometimes I get tired from making gains. I just get tired from making gains. So this was shared. And you know, sometimes, yeah, well, MB, but how is it possible? How is this? No, it's not. Just do as I freaking tell you. Don't. The moment you start thinking for yourself, no, and your emotions get involved and this and that, that's when you start losing money. Just do as I tell you. Be a bot. Be just an AI bot. Just let the freaking indicator do its job. Follow it step by step, because I can show you another 10 charts that will be just the same like this one. But this one was where the money was flowing. That's why I shared it, because it's not only about the indicator. It's not about ETA. It's about a lot of things. It's about sentiment. It's about the hype. It's about where the money is flowing. It's about a lot of education. But that's another part. I'm also educating a lot of retailers how to read that. But the most simple way is this. We had this pump up. We come back to the 10 cents. Hodl. Especially when you see an accumulation like this going on. This means that the bulls are over here. They're protecting these levels like crazy. And when you see that, it's just a matter of time and you'll get boom, 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 boom. And you made a 3x on a spot back. That's just how it is. And I told him also, because this 30 cents resistance level, this is just experience. This is just experience. You cannot make a chart about this, predict. It's just experience. When someone is an experienced trader, he just knows this, that the 30 cents is scary. But okay, enough about that one. So I want to talk today about another coin where I see the money is flowing and I was liking it a lot. Let me see, do we got some new ones? Beaver, good morning. Good morning. Nest, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Danny Dix, good morning, bro. Good morning. I'm gonna show you guys a coin that I was eyeing today, and I was seeing some volume getting in over here. I thought to myself, wait a minute, what is this? It's this one, guys. And you know me, guys, when I see money flowing into an altcoin, and I also see that the chart is wrecked, that's when I'll be interested. By the way, I'm not buying now, by the way, guys, because it already made a pump. Already made a pump. But listen, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Lena. I traded Lena, by the way, in the previous cycle. I traded Lena, I like Lena, I love Lena. Lena. But Lena, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is against Bitcoin, by the way. Let me show you guys how it's looking on USDT. Look at this, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, or are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? That's the question now. Tell me in the chat if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Hans Heinz, Morgen, kerel! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? First of all, this thing has got a market cap of 62 million. Boom, boom. That's also very interesting. It has got a fully diluted market cap of 98 million. Also looking very good. So guys, these are the charts that I look for. These are the opportunities. So when I see the money flowing in, I know that, Lena, it's just a matter of time and this thing will ramp up. And listen, it already ramped up today like crazy because look at this. By the way, guys, do not buy now. It already went up. But I'm just showing you guys. Listen, this was a 15% ramp up. Look at it at 4 hour. At the 4 hour. Chopping around on the indicator, chopping, hold on, boom. But you know, let me put it on the daily because this is the most important one. Rejected. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I didn't see the chart. I cannot see all the altcoins. That's, by the way, guys, I'm creating a work group. This will be maximum 5 of retailers that will join me. I will educate those guys step by step and I will learn them how to recognize these charts so they can help you guys just in case when I'm not seeing any chart or breakout or whatever. So they will help me. So listen, guys, look at this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This was going on. I did miss it because I would have put on my alarm on my indicator, but I just didn't listen, guys. Hold, boom. But this thing is just heating up in my opinion, because look at this. We're now testing the indicator on the weekly and listen, guys, this thing is so super wrecked. The market cap is looking good. The fully diluted market cap is looking good. The volume is huge, by the way, huge. So these are the coins that I'm eyeing. So again, don't buy in now. Let it come back, retest. Let's just go to the 4. When would I be interested in maybe starting to get in? It's around this 86 cent if the volume will stay that way and give me a chance. You can also put it on the 1 hour, just look at it in 1 hour, retest the 1 hour and then boom. But this is trading, guys, but not only trading because this coin is super wrecked. What was the all-time high of this monster? Because I traded, what was it again? What was it? What were you? Oh my God, where's the thing going? Oh my God. Oh, well, forget about it. I'm not even going to try that one. So let's just say take this level. Let's just take this high over here. Let's just take this high. So what is this? This is a 10x from here. I think that a 10x is easy peasy for Lena in a bull. So I think that this thing can make a move up to an 8, 9, 10x. That's a lot of freaking money, guys. Let me go to the next one that I'm also eyeing. And you know, this one is very interesting to see. So that's about Lena, guys. But let me show you guys another one. Let me put it first of all over here. Let me go. What is, yes. This thing is also looking, I don't know. I shared it on Twitter and someone told me, well, it has gotten delisted from Coinbase. It was, I think. I thought to myself, wait a minute. Well, they delisted it, so whatever. I'm seeing a lot of volume going in on this thing. I'm seeing a lot of volume getting in on this thing. So when I see money flowing in, I'm interested. So this is MTL. I already share this over and over again. This thing is a 108 million market cap and also a fully diluted 108 market. So the tokenomics are looking great on this chart, guys. So this thing, if it gets back to the 130, 140, I'll be interested in MTL if the volume stays the same. So that will play a big role. So if the volume will stay the same. So that's what I'm eyeing on MTL. I think that this thing, there is some potential. Why? When I see money flowing in, something is going on. And I want this thing also to get back into this box. So that's the second one. Let me go to the third one. This ADF, this is, I think, an RWA coin, something with NFTs and art and whatever. It's dumping like crazy. I tried to find some info on the webs about what's going on ADF. I couldn't find a lot about it. So if some of you guys found some info about ADF and what's going on ADF, please do share, DM me on TG or on Twitter, or you can put it in the chat over here. Biggie, good morning, bro. So just put it in over here because, you know, I think there is some money to be made over here if they're still alive in this project. We need to, first of all, before we gotta buy in, we need to understand what's going on with ADF. And if it's just some FUD or something, I don't know what's going on, guys, we can make a lot of money on ADF. You guys know me, I don't give a damn about NFTs or about whatever out there. I'm only focusing on making money. So should all of you guys. You should only focus on making money. So when I see an opportunity making money, this is what I see. But I need some more fundamental info to make it easy. Guys, just for you guys to understand, a 10x is over here. A 10x is over here. Just this is a 10x. No, this is not a 10x. This is a 100x. Oh my God. This is a what? Oh my God. Let me see. Wait a minute. 26 cents. Listen, guys. Listen. Look at this. Look at this. This is a 10x. I'm telling you guys, stop following Schiller. Stop following. Only follow those that will show you how to make money. Listen at it. Look at this. Where it is now. I'm telling you where it is now. If this thing by any means get some life in it, only to the indicator, almost to the indicator, is already a 10x. So if you buy in, either whatever, you're buying 500 bucks or 1K, you get 10K. And it's over here. Just look at the chart. So this, let me show you guys. From here, so from here, this is it. So if it goes up from here to here, it's a 10x. Well, but you need to do some fundamental research. Is there some life in this coin? Yes or no? I'm sorry. So that's about ADF. Do some research on it, guys. I'm showing you where the money is flowing. You guys show me what's going on. So these are the 3 coins, guys, that I wanted to talk about for the ones that I'm eyeing for June. There are also 3 other ones. And I think that a lot of what I want to talk about today is the gaming sector. Because why? I'm seeing a lot of influencers, big influencers, talking about the gaming hype getting back into crypto. So I thought to myself, why not go check my gaming list? Why not go check it? What am I seeing? I'm seeing a lot of green over here. And while we're talking about gaming, the first project that I'll be eyeing when it's about gaming, it's Peer. Because I like Peer. Guys, I like Peer. So this coin has got a huge community, guys. Keep that in mind. This coin has got a big community. I'm not about communities. I'm about making money. So let them focus on creating communities and hypes and whatever. I'm only focused on making money. So I want to make money, and whatever the money is flowing, I'll be there. So if today it's Peer, I'm with Peer. If tomorrow it's on Solana, I'll be on Solana. I don't care. I just follow where the money's going. And at this moment, what I'm seeing is this thing is making a sort of a higher low over here based on this one. But we are already in the box, guys. And you remember when I was sharing over here that I will not buy this thing? Do you remember this chart when I told you guys I will only buy it if it comes back here and then goes like this? And then all those Peer communities started spitting on me and calling me crazy and hating me. And then like 2 or 3 of those guys, they came back, DM'd me, told me, Ambi, well, we're following you, bro. We stopped being Peer FOMO boys and you were right. And well, they are now following me and they're waiting for me to tell them. So guys, this support zone over here is a strong support zone. So this 3.8, everything everything around the 3.8 to the 2.5, this is a buying opportunity in my opinion for peer, guys, especially if we'll get into this box over here. So from 3.5 to 2.7. So if the game, guys, we always have to be prepared. We have to be prepared. We have to be 1, 2, 3 steps ahead of the market. So if this gaming coins are going to pump up again the coming weeks, months, and the money will flow, and I will keep you updated if the money is really flowing over there. So I'm tracking that on daily basis. But if that happens, these are the coins that we should buy. Let me check the tokenomics on peer, by the way. I think let's just see what the potential is of this coin, how much money we can make. Let's see. Well, the market cap is 109. The fully diluted, I'm not liking that one. It's 230. So there is some selling pressure still going on. Volume to so this thing, I think that this is the target, and the target has been here for a very big while. So if I think that $40 is possible, and that's a 3-4x from here. So peer. Let me go to the next one. Super. Well, all the shillers have been shilling this coin to death, and I have to say, I'm really impressed how strong it's holding for now. It's holding the indie, as you guys can see. But if Super starts getting shilled by all those organized shillers again, we might see something going on that one. Let me go to this old dog, Sand. Look at Sand, guys. What is this? Let me check the. Is this a dead project? I don't know. Sand. Look at this dump, guys. But oh my God. 1 billion, not interested. Next to the next. Mana, it's same way, not interested. Let me see. Ethereum also, look at this, guys. It's bottoming out. It's getting into the box. If it gets into the box, guys, Ethereum. I saw Engine. Look at Engine versus Bitcoin, guys. So, guys, if you look at these gaming coins, they're all bottoming out against a lot of Bitcoin and also very super wrecked. So, let me check Gala. Gala's too expensive, in my opinion. Let me see Axie. Axie is, in my opinion, also a dead coin. So let's all just, the one that I'm really interested in at this moment is peer. So if I will get into peer or something new. So peer is the one that I'm interested in. So guys, please start sharing your altcoins. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time for that. So start sharing the altcoins that you want me to chart. Maybe I'm forgetting about something. Maybe you're not. Well, MB, wait a minute. We don't agree with you. It's not the gaming coins. There's something else going to grow very fast. Well, I think, in my opinion, so while you guys are going to do that, I'm going to show you guys the coins that I think will do very good the coming months. And I think that it will be, again, the meme coins. It will be the meme coins again, guys. It's because it's every time it's the meme coins, meme coins, and one narrative to another. And the meme coins that I'm interested in is only the ones related to Trump. So I'm really eyeing only the Trump, because Trump, as you guys know, this one, well, the ones that have been following me, well, they hit target number 1, congrats, and they also hit, no, target number 1 they hit, and they hit target number, oh, what is this? And target number 2, and well, I think that target number 3 will just be a matter of time. So maybe it needs to come back a bit, but you know, target 3 is just a matter of time. So this one, I also shared it, begin with it. So this one, I just let it be, do its thing, let the indie grow a bit higher, and maybe I will be jumping in again. There are some other MAGA Trump related coins, and I'll be sharing those. Look at this, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is MAGA. This is a MAGA coin again. Look at this. This is another MAGA. Listen, these are all Trump-related coins. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? These are all Trump-related coins. So this is what I'm eyeing at this moment. This is what I'm eyeing. All these Trump-related coins, they might make us even more money. So that's about that. Portal is a huge gaming coin currently moving. Yes, I saw it, but you know, Portal is a bit too expensive for me at this moment, Gary. And I saw that there was also some nice volume on Portal also. So there's a lot of volume on Portal. I don't know what's going. It's also on Binance. Maybe that's the reason. Portal, I saw it. It had a lot of. Listen, this is a pretty new coin. So it pumped up, came back, or breaking above, trying to break above the indicator over here. But you know, I like the rect ones. But you know, it could be. I don't know any fundamentally about Portal. I don't know what they're doing. But if this coin. What are the tokenomics on Portal, by the way? Portal. But I'm seeing it because why? I was seeing a lot of money flow on Portal. I thought to myself, what is Portal? Portal is a Web3 gaming platform that aims to provide a gaming project number of blockchains. Oh, that was a very long story over layer zero's technology to achieve the design. Each receiver path. Okay, well. The project team claims that over 200 games could be supported by Portal Gaming. However, Portal Gaming is not live and a potential launch date for the platform has not been announced. Oh, well, that's something great. Because when they keep something behind and they're gonna give you guys a launch date, that could create a big bump. So they're very clever of these guys. What is the mark? Oh my God, but the fully diluted market cap is not looking good, guys. 846 million on a 141 market. So it's a tricky one. There are too many sellers, but you know, maybe it could bounce back to these levels if you're any Portal. Maybe we can see a 50% rise over here, but not a coin that I will be very interested in. August Urn. What is this? EOS. That's an old dog. EOS is also an old dog. EOS. I traded a lot of EOS back in the time on KuCoin. Yes. Maybe the chart will even show you that. Let me. There's no data on this one, but I traded EOS. I know for sure that I traded EOS. EOS is getting shilled by a lot of shillers also. EOS looking pretty good, bro. Looking pretty good. I don't know what's going on EOS. Are they having something new going on? Are they building something? Is there something going on Ultra? I really don't know. Let me see how the tokenomics are looking. Let me see how it's looking. 64 million. Fully diluted 170. Volume also very low, bro. So keep. Volume is super low. So EOS is not looking that good. Fourth is a governance token. Market cap 64 fully. Oh, Ford. Let me see Ford. What is Ford? Ford. Let us see Ford. Mario is all over it. Fourth. Let me put it ample fourth. Is it this one? Is it this one you mean? Let me see fourth. Governance token. Fourth. Let me see fourth. Fourth. Let me see, bro. Are we going to make some money on fourth? I don't know. Maybe we will. And if we don't, we got to make money on another coin. That's just how it works. Well, the market cap is showing 48 million at my, on a 65 fully diluted, 2 million. But is there something going on? A native token alpha protocol, decentralized DeFi project for creating algorithm. Okay, so this is just DeFi, but looking good, bro. Looking good. Look how this is. These are guys, TA wise. So listen good to what I'm saying. TA wise, these are the best charts to trade, because if this thing has an accumulation of from 22, and at some point it could just boom up. So yeah, it's looking good, bro. It's looking good. You just have to be. Well, thank you, Ern. So it has to be. If you know, I really have no clue what the fundamentals are about Ford. But if they have something coming up, the chart is looking super bullish. This is a very long accumulation zone, bro. So the hodlers from here or here, they are having a lot of patience. But these long accumulation zones are the best to trade. So that's about that. On base bread. Do you have a ticker? B9K. Well, Welcome B9 Cake. Do you please give me a ticker, please, because I really don't know the coin. Let me show you guys some coins that I'm eyeing also, because you guys are not showing any coins. So let me show the coins that I'm eyeing. Let me show you guys some coins that I'm watching, because you guys are not very active on the coins today. So let me do my thing. 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 Let me see, what do we've got over here? We got Ash. No, that's not. Let me see. I was going to share with you guys a coin that I was eyeing also before the stream, but where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Guys, do you remember this coin? This coin. Do you remember this coin, guys? Okay. If you do remember this coin, I want you guys to do two things. There was a group of around about 7 to 10 influencers on City. And these were very famous and big influencers. They were all over here, or maybe even over here, we put it on daily. They were shilling G-Swift as if the world was ending. So I checked it and I saw that the tokenomics were very, very bad at that time. And that's when I said, guys, don't touch this. And there were a lot of influencers. There were maybe like 20 of them. And they were all my top altcoin that's going to moon. My top altcoin that's going to moon. #1 altcoin is G-Swift. Listen, guys, I want you guys to all have, if you remember this, unfollow them all. Because this is exactly what I'm warning you about over and over and over again. You've got like 10, 20 influencers at the same time. It was in like 2-3 weeks. They all said G-Swift is the new future. It's going to moon. This coin is going to make you rich. It's our #1 altcoin. And when I check the tokenomics, because don't be surprised about what I'm going to say now. The market cap is 11 million. 11 million. Listen very good to what I'm going to say. The fully diluted market at this moment is 282 million. So when they were buying in all over here, because all those shillers were shilling it, look what happened after, guys. Look what happened after, guys. Look what happened after. 70% down, and I'm really not expecting this thing to come up very strong. And I think that much bigger dump is coming on G-Swift. And over here, this is when they were shilling it to like crazy. And also over here, they were shilling it like crazy. So guys, do you understand now why I keep being so salty and being so nasty against those paid shillers again? Because do you know how much retailers are getting wrecked, are holding this coin because they were promised that this was the new and best coin, G-Swift. It was going to the moon and make a lot of people rich. Well, they are all super wrecked. So let me go, Brett. Most of you guys will think, oh, I don't know. Or maybe you think, oh, I've got G-Swift and I'm super wrecked, but I don't want to talk about it. Well, okay. So it's on CoinX. Okay, let me see. Base bread. What is base bread? Ah, so you show me the ones that are in the moon. I'm mooning. Bro. Well, it's looking really good over here, but I think that a lot of base coins are going to pump, and I'm going to make a video about that one also, by the way. So I'm gonna do some research on some base altcoins that are doing great, and we're going to trade and make some money on. But this one already left the station, so that's not going to happen. KNC, yeah, KNC. There is a lot of volume going on KNC, by the way. I've been checking it past days, past weeks to make some money, and I thought to myself, what's going on with this KNC? KNC is a very old dog, by the way, bro. KNC. Well, it's looking very good TA-wise. We're just in this accumulations of bottoming out. So this is looking super good, by the way. This is really looking super good. So I don't know. Let me see the tokenomics of KNC. If those are also right. So this thing is looking really good. Kyber network. I know a guy that's holding. This is an old dog, by the way. Is this another KNC? Because the KNC that I know was fully diluted 150, 110. Yeah, looking good. This thing, yes, this thing is an old dog. I know this thing is a very old dog, but this is looking good. Accumulation zone. So people just accumulating, boom, up. You can make a 2x, 3x, and this one is the same. So it's just accumulating for now. Mario PBX Paribus. By the way, guys, there's another coin I wanted to talk about. One moment. This is a coin that also is, I think, base related. It's Borg. This Borg coin, it's only on HTS. And this Borg, it already left the station. But keep an eye on this Borg coin. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Let me see. Something was going on with this Borg. Just hit my mind. Borg. Borg. Where's Borg? It's not showing over here. I don't know. There's something going on with this Borg thing. So let me see. What was it? Let me see. PBX. USDT. What is it on Qcoin? Paribus. Yes, Paribus. Let me show me Paribus. This is also an old dog. Was it from 21? This is a very old dog. Well, my God, guys, is there something happening on Paribus? Is there something new going on? Because this is looking also like an accumulation. Also looking good, by the way, guys. Really looking real good. Paribus. So if this thing also in good regions, let me see what how the tokenomics are like. PBX. Okay, guys, show me the last one because I'm gonna close it up. Show me the last one, and I'm gonna also, guys, when I finish the stream, I'll do my market update, and while the music is running, so it's like 2-3 minutes. I'll do a market update. So a lot of people like that one. So don't close it down. So I'm gonna do. What is this? Oh, it's looking good. 10 million market cap on a 30. Looking good. Good. I don't know. Lending marketplace, but I don't know what Paribus is doing exactly, but the market, juicy. 10 million, 30 million. I'm gonna write this one up. It just needs some volume, but I'm gonna do some research on Paribus. And if Paribus has got something going on, I might 99% down. My God, let me put on alarm. I don't know why. Why did you talk about Paribus? What's going on? Is someone else talking about Paribus? 10 million, 30 million. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mario. Sorry, I was looking it up while you already showed me that. But Paribus, guys. What's going on with Paribus? Is there something going on? This is looking good. I'm liking the tokenomics. I'm liking the charts. So this is it, guys. This is how you get those gems. This is how you make money. And I've showed you guys this the past weeks and months. That's how you make money. Buy the blood, sell the FOMO. When your favorite crypto gurus start talking about any altcoin, sell your bags. Just sell your bags. Even if it will make another rise up, don't take the risks. It's very simple. Buy the blood, and when your favorite crypto guru starts talking about it, dump those bags. Just dump them. So it's very simple. That's Alu. What is Alu? Irene Alu. Okay, we're gonna do Alu, and then I don't know what Alu is. Alu. I heard about Alu. I know Alu. Alutra. Yeah. Ultra. Yes. This was Alex Becker's shilling coin. I know all these shilling coins of those shillers. It's really, let me get this one. Altura. Yeah, it's going to the moon. He was telling them. Oh yeah, over here. Oh, it's going to the moon. Yes. And then when it dumps down, he'll tell you, yeah, you should have taken profits. Oh my God, these guys are so evil. Oh, just to buy, you're going to get rich, millionaires. Yes, and when it dumps down, well, you should have taken profits. It's your own. Well, we don't give any financial advice. So you just sell your bags. Why did you hodl it? Why didn't you sell it? Irene, I missed my target because as you can see, I already charted this and I was eyeing it. So I missed my entry over here. So that's first of all, and it bounced very, very beautifully. But let me see. Altura, how the tokenomics are looking. But guys, I just remembered that. Oh my God, those guys are really... yeah, 32 million. Oh my God, very high volume, 12 million. What's going on with Altura? What's going on, Altura? Well, as you guys can see, above the indie. And then, look how beautiful that indicator. Guys, if you don't have this indicator, you really... Guys, look at the indicator. Just look at it. Up. Hodl. Hodl. Boom up. This is looking mind-blowing. By the way, guys, for the Weex airdrops, guys, this Weex token, it's not a token that could make you rich in a day or in a week or in a month. Weex token, you have to see it like this. If the FOMO hits in, it could make you a lot of money on the launch. Possible. But just keep in mind that these Weex tokens, for me, so I'm just telling you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to hodl them. These are just tokens I'm going to use on the exchange to get lower fees while I'm trading. And I'm going to hodl them. I'm going to hodl them until they do just like all those other exchanges. So that's what I'm going to do with Weex. And if you buy in at the launch, I will make a vid about how to trade that in the free private. By the way, if you want to join the free private, if you're watching this live and you are not in a free private, especially with the airdrop of Weex happening now, there's a link below. Open up an account, start trading over there. You'll get airdrops. If you KYC, you get more airdrops. If you trade on high volume, whatever exchange out there, you're really crazy if you're not doing it on Weex, because over there you get a lot of airdrops, especially if you're a high volume trader. And most important of all, if you're a spot trader, you can trade spot with 0 fees instead of on MaxC for 0.08 and a lot of other exchanges. So you can trade spot on 0 fees. So again, there's a link below. Weex. I cannot come bring that money to you. You just have to hodl it, and that's just my... If you have to see it like this. Suppose that you're doing your research and you know that Weex is just an exchange that's going into the top 5. What you have to see it like this. Suppose, let's just say I'm going to put in 5K at the bottom regions. Not at the launch, at the bottom regions. And I'm gonna hodl this thing for a year, 2 years, 3 years. And it's gonna make just like those other ones that made a 600x, 500x, 300x, 200x, whatever. If it only would make a 100x, let's just say 100x. Ta-da! That's your retirement. It's a gamble because you have to believe in it, but it's an investment. It's, what to say? It's your retirement. It's your pension, 500k. What if it does happen? Because all those other exchanges, it happened. So if you do your research on Weex, just go do the research, go on the webs, do research about their partners, about their team, about what they're doing. I'm not going to tell you anything. Just do your own research over there. But if you do believe that it's going to be a top 5 or maybe even a top 10 exchange, and you're gonna make that 50 to 100, 200x, whatever. It's a hodl. It's a hodl. I'm just saying. And maybe in about 2-3 years, yeah, well, Ambi, I should have listened to you. Yes, you were showing us one of the best opportunities that you were taking. Well, I was at that live at that day and I heard you, but, well, I didn't believe it. And I thought to myself, just let it go. Well, I could have had 500k with an investment of 5k. I could have had it, but I didn't. So too bad for me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it up, do my market update. Thank you all for watching. Show some love in the chat. Thumbs up, please. I'm going to do the market update while the music is running. I'm gonna watch what the US 500 is going to do. Bitcoin, what I'm expecting is going to hold or not. Ethereum. I'm also gonna watch the DXY, a little bit of Nasdaq. So keep an eye on that one. I'm gonna do it while the music is running. I'm also gonna share a lot altcoins that I'm eyeing today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So keep an eye on my Twitter page. Follow me on Twitter if you're not following me on Twitter. And well, I just got to show you guys the charts. I'm showing you guys where the money is flowing, and it's you guys to show me the fundamentals. By the way, if you want to join the work group, because there are 2 guys are selected now. We still have room for 3, but there are a lot of people DMing me, but the team chose only 2 because we really need people that are not working, because we really need a work group of people that have a lot of time and also living in different time frames, because you know, I also gotta sleep, and when I'm asleep, it would be nice if there is a work group that knows, and I will teach them what to eye, how to eye it, and to keep you guys updated, because maybe they will send you what I send you when I'm awake. So DM me if you think that you're good enough and you don't have a full-time job, you got a lot of time trading it. Also, by the way, if you're a high volume trader, there's also coming something up with the team for the high volume traders, because they will be trading they trade a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the high market caps, and on leverage. There's also something coming up for those ones. So thank you all for watching. Put those thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and have a nice one. So now we're gonna get the music started. Let me do what I do best, and that's looking for the next movement of Bitcoin. We close the daily below the Indy on the VIX. Oh my God, these guys, these market makers are incredible. We close below it, guys. Let's see how it's gonna open Monday. Is it going to open above it or below it? Guys, keep an eye on this one. This is the yen versus the dollar. A possible double is coming in. A lot of money could be made. For the guys that want to understand markets, these are the European stocks. They close bearish, so meaning when the markets open tonight and this thing doesn't break the India on the daily and comes down, we could see a big drop on the US 500. And when the US 500 drops, you know, Bitcoin will probably follow. So this is maybe the most important chart to check.